Hey, welcome everyone to the first video in Hardware with ROS series. In this video, we will learn to publish the data from Arduino to ROS. In this video, we will connect a potentiometer to the Arduino and transfer its reading through serial port to ROS. So before starting, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon as I bring such an interesting video every week. So let's get started. Let's start by making the Arduino IDE ready for compiling ROS based program. Open the Arduino IDE. First, we need to install the ROS library. For that, go into Manage Libraries and search for ROS serial. Here you need to install this library based on your ROS version. I have installed version 0.7.9 as I am using ROS Melodic distribution. After installing the library, I have written this code. The code starts by defining the ROS library. Then we need to install the standard message. Then I have defined analog pin A1 as pot as I have connected the potentiometer to analog pin A1. Then we need to create the object of node handle class. Further, we declare the variable for storing the data which we transfer from Arduino to ROS over ROS serial. This is the syntax for defining the publisher. Here we define the topic name and the reference to the message instance to be used for publishing. In the void setup, we initialize the node and advertise the topic being published. Further, I have defined the pin mode of pot pin as input. In the void loop, by defining nh.spin once, we handle all the ROS communication callbacks. Here, we read the data coming from the analog pin A1 and store it in the variable potRead and assign this potRead variable to potMessage.data variable. And in the last line, we publish this data. Now let's connect the Arduino to the laptop and upload the code. Here you can see the error. This is due to the permission. We need to give permission for USB port to establish communication with the Arduino. For that, open the terminal and type the command sudo chmod 666 and the port name. In my case, it is dev ttyacm0 /dev/ttyacm0. Now we can upload the code. The code has been uploaded successfully. Now let's open the terminal and split it. Let's start the ROS core and ROS serial node. Command for them are as follows: ROS core for starting the ROS core and ROS run ROS serial python serial node and the port name /dev/ttyacm0. Now in the new terminal, let's do ROS topic list. Here you can see the topic name, that is pot. Now let's echo this topic. Command for it is ROS topic echo and the topic name, which is pot. Here you can see the readings coming from the Arduino. That's all for this video. If you have any doubts, comment down below. Until then, stay creative with me, Techno.